The points A, B, C, and D are on the number line, not necessarily in that order. If the distance between A and C is 30 and the distance between B and D is 7, what is the distance between A and D? Okay, since they are not in that order necessarily, I'm going to put them separately. A, C, the distance is 30, and let's say BD. BD is 7. Okay, now I want to find the distance between A and D. Statement 1 says that the distance between A and B is the same as the distance between B and C. So if I put A, B, and C on the same line, statement 1, A, B, and C, B would be in the center, right? The distance between A and B is the same as the distance between B and C. Now, A doesn't have to be in the left, it could be in the place of C, but this is just one case. Now, knowing this, and also knowing that the distance between A and C is 30, that means that it's 15 in both sides of B. And the distance between B and D is 7, but I don't know if D is over here or over here. It could be 7 like this or 7 like this. And so the question, what is the distance between A and D? It could be 8 or it could be more. So statement 1 is not sufficient. Statement 2 says C is to the right of B and D is to the right of A on the number line. Now, looking at the case that I did in statement 1, C is to the right of B, yes, and D is to the right of A in any case, either here or here, it's to the right of A. So, in the same case that I used in statement 1, I still have two different answer choices. Now, that doesn't mean that I am assuming that statement 1 is true in statement 2. What I'm saying is that I can use the same case and see that this case that I used in statement 1 also makes statement 2 true, and it also gives two answers. So that means that even if I use them together, I could still use the same case, make both the statements true, and say that there are two answers. So the answer would have to be E.